Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschata Deshatari. So sometimes devotees ask that, Prabhuji, how can we improve our chanting? So sometimes really it is difficult to absorb our mind into the chanting. The basic principle of chanting is that chant loudly and focus, concentrate on the sound vibration of your chanting. This is the common guideline. This is the basic guideline we have to follow. But sometimes it not happens with us. So, how to improve our chanting? So, there is 5 steps. CHANT. 5 steps we have to follow. If we can follow these 5 steps, so we can improve the chanting and we can get the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very soon. C for cry. Cry to get the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Cry for the mercy. Cry to get the mercy of Srimati Radharani, Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Balaram. So long days we are far away from Lord. Feel the separation, to detach from Krishna, and we feel that pain and cry at the time of chanting. একবার দেখলে চোখে জল, গৌর বলে নিতাই দেন সকল সম্বল. If we cry while we chanting, we cry by saying Gauranga, Gauranga, so Nityananda Prabhu will give everything to us. He will give everything, Sakal Sambal. So when we chant, if tears come in our eyes, so that means we get the mercy of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. And if Lord Nityananda Prabhu pleased in our chanting, so it's very easy to get the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Sri Krishna himself. Then see H for heart. So when we chant, the sound vibration comes from throat and tongue. So it affects very slowly. If we chant from heart, so generally we chant from our tongue, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. But if we chant from our heart, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This vibration in this heart will make a great transformation in our heart. So all the dust from our mind, all the dust from heart will cleansed, and we can realize that Lord himself sitting within our heart as a Paramatma. And how can we understand that? We can see all the living entities as Paramatma. Suni chaiva sapake cha pandita samadarsina. So, if we chant, if the sound vibration comes from our heart, so it will great effect. CHA, What is the third step? Absorb with humility. So this is humble and meek is a great quality to please the Lord. So at the time of chanting, if we forget everything for few minutes, if we absorb our mind with humility, that we have nothing, we have just this human-like tongue and human-like ear, and by these instruments we can please Krishna, we can please Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So absorb your mind with a great humility. So once Murari Gupta came to meet with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and catching the two bunches of straw in his teeth and went before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with humility and meekness. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always likes this humility. What is the fourth step? N. CHAN. N for negligible. So while we chant, if we think that I am very negligible, I don't have any quality, I don't have any qualification, I don't have any quality to chant the holy names of Lord. So what is our size? Just our size is केसाग्र शतभागस्य शतधा कल्पितस्य च निवेदन करी प्रभु तोमार चरणे पतितो अधम जानी त्रिभुवने. In this world, I am the most fallen soul, and there is no other sinner like me. I am the most sinful person of this world. I have done many offenses in this world. So, how negligible I am. How Krishna bless me. So, Krishna is Dinabandhu. He is the dearest friend of the deen, those who are very poor, those who are very negligible, those who thinks them as negligible. And what is the fifth step? T. CHANT. T for thankful. If we thankful to Krishna, so Krishna will please, so we can get Krishna Prem very quickly. By His mercy, we get this devotional life. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. By the mercy of Sri Guru and Lord Krishna, we get this devotional life, this Bhakti Lata Bij. And this devotional seeds comes only by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. So we should thankful to him that by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, by the mercy of Lord Krishna, we are associated with ISKCON, we are associated with the great Vaishnava. So great Vaishnava like Mahadev, he also prays Atha Anagangre, arthat all the anartha destroys when we chant the Lord's names, the glories of Lord Krishna, and this is only possible with the association of the devotees. So he also wants to get the association of the devotees of Lord Krishna. So we are almost getting this association of the devotees of Lord Krishna. So we are thankful for that. We are thankful to Srila Prabhupada. We are thankful to our beloved Guru Maharaj. We are thankful to Lord Krishna. If we grateful to Lord Krishna, so Krishna will be pleased. And if Krishna pleased, if Radharani pleased, so what other we need in our life? Nothing.